Hello guys, welcome to Toto Quiz. Today's quiz challenges you to guess the birds by their picture within 10 seconds across 3 levels. Level 1, easy. Which bird is this? Amazing, it's a hummingbird. Guess the bird? Superb, it's a peacock. Next. Fantastic! It's a kingfisher. Move on. Great! It's an owl. Which bird is this? Awesome! It's a woodpecker. Guess the bird? Excellent! It's a sparrow. Next. Good! It's a parrot. Move on. Well done! It's a penguin. Which bird is this? Marvelously! It's an eagle. Guess the bird? Excellent, it's an egret. Next. Awesome, it's a dove. Move on. Great! It's a pigeon. Which bird is this? Fantastic! It's a crow. Guess the bird? Awesome! It's a robin. Move on. Great! It's a pelican. Which bird is this? Well done! It's an ostrich. Next. Excellent! It's a vulture. Next. Great! It's a heron. Which bird is this? Good. It's an Amazing. It's a myna. Level 2, medium. Can you guess this? Super. It's a jacana. Another one. Well done. It's a bustard. Who knows this? Good. It's a green bee eater. Can you guess this? Marvelous. It's a red-whiskered bulbul. Who knows this? Fantastic. It's a hoopoe. Another one. Awesome. It's a spoonbill. Can you guess this? Great. It's a roller. Which bird is this? Amazing. It's a rail. Guess the bird? Marvelous. It's a black drongo. Next. Well done. It's a tern. Who knows this? Good. It's an albatross. Which bird is this? Excellent. It's a macaw. Who knows this? Fantastic. It's a hornbill. Guess the bird? Perfect. It's a titmus. Another one. Amazing. It's a sandpiper. Next. Good. It's a wattlebird. Move on. Great. It's a flamingo. Can you guess this? Superb. It's a swan. Another one. Excellent. It's a magpie. Who knows this? it's a hawk. Level 3, hard. Move on. Well done. It's a frogmouth. Which bird is this? Great, it's a wall creeper. Guess the bird? Good, it's a toucan. Which bird is this? Perfect, it's a hoatzin. Who knows this? Awesome, it's a shoebill stork. Can you guess this? Awesome, it's a kagu. Next. Marvelous, it's a wattled umbrella. Can you guess this? Good, it's an ivory gull. Guess the bird? Amazing, it's a noisy miner. Which bird is this? Perfect. It's a bristle-thighed curlew. Can you guess this? Well done. It's a rufous vanga. Move on. Superb! It's a crimson topaz. Next. Fantastic! It's a dusky tetraca. Guess the bird? Marvelous! It's an azure kingfisher. Who knows this? Fantastic! It's a plush cap. Another one. Amazing! It's a limkim. Move on. Fantastic! It's a kakapo. Guess the bird? Wonderful! It's a buffy fish owl. Next. Wonderful! It's a golden pheasant. Another one. Wonderful. It's a horned screamer. Thanks for watching.